Okie dokie, we're going to try Beatles tune Rain, right? So, the chords are just G's and C's, which you think would make it easy, but they don't change in a real steady way. They're always changing somewhere else. Sometimes it's back and forth, sometimes it's staying on one for 2 bars and then the other one for 2 bars. So you're just going to have to follow it along. But it is what it is. So 1, 2, 3. When the rain comes, we run and hide our heads. We might as well be dead. When the rain comes, when the rain comes, when the sun shines, we slip into the shade and sip our lemonade. When the sun shines, when the sun shines, I don't mind. The weather's fine. I can show you that when it starts to rain, everything's the same. I can show you, I can show you. I don't mind. The weather's fine. I'm gonna stop on G. That's the short version, but there you go.